Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyAndRich.com. Talking about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's update. As you know, what I do in these updates, I update the cryptocurrency portfolio on a daily basis, and what I do is record it and document it, which I'm going to be using for future case study and analysis purposes. Before I continue, and if it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And make sure also stay to the end of this video, because after the update, I always talk about something of interest. So, but before I continue, it's very important that I do the important update disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial planner, so this is not a financial advice video. So make sure before you make any financial decision, you consult, do your own research with a financial advisor. Do your own research, do your own due diligence before you make any financial decisions, and also understand with all kinds of investing, there's always an element of risk. So do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Very important. So with that, and in case you're wondering about the background videos, I love lifestyle. It's about lifestyle, and we invest to achieve the lifestyle that we want to achieve and live the lifestyle we want to live. So this is designed to inspire you as to what kind of lifestyle is out there if you're willing to invest in yourself and invest in your future. So with that, I'm going to share my screen and go to the spreadsheet that I update. So let's share. Oh, hit the wrong button. Let's share the screen here. Spreadsheet. Zoom. Green button. Share. Share. So this is a spreadsheet that I've been updating since February. And here we are. What we have here is we have three columns: the altcoin column, the Bitcoin column, and the totals column. And yesterday was a green day. The green and red is when things move forward on the previous day. Red is when it's moved backward on the previous day. So as you can see, we have some days when it moves backwards 3 days in a row. And sometimes when it moves forward 4 days in a row, or even more. But anyway, here we are. Yesterday we went forward, so that's good. Today we are on today's date is the 20th of October 2021, and I'm going to go to this figure page here. So this is where I get the figures from. These come in from a live feed into an asset group, and then the final figures are put here. But this particular page shows that this particular portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and an assortment of specially selected, specially researched alternative coins or altcoins other than Bitcoin. This is the total at the top here. On the left-hand side, we've got US dollars. Right-hand side, we've got the same portfolio in British pounds or pound sterling. And in the middle, we have the split. So this is the split. At the moment, you can see I put majority of my money into the altcoins. Now, interesting enough, even from here, you can actually see, because when I actually did put this split together, it was 25-75%. And now, because Bitcoin is surging ahead, Bitcoin has kind of dragged it like an elastic. It's growing. This just shows that it's growing faster. So this in itself is a nice little indicator, as well as the red and white patterns that actually can be used as a bit of an indicator in bull and bear trends and so on and so forth. So Bitcoin is very bullish, as you can see, compared to the altcoins. 100% bullish for Bitcoin, which is a very good sign. So the figure I want is this figure here. The altcoin total for now is 176,113.70. So 176,113.70. That's right. Yeah, that's correct. So we'll bring this down and get the figure. So it's 15,000. Oh, coins are up $15,000. $15,595 on yesterday. That's quite a jump. And Bitcoin is 66,000. So Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high of 66,000+ today. the 20th of October 2021, and which is great. Anyway, let's take this top figure here, 244,000 and what is it? 046 and 46 and 32. So 244,046.43. 33. So to bring that down here, that's 21,000. And bring this down here, show the Bitcoin. Wow, actually shows Bitcoin. At the point of doing this calculation, Bitcoin has hit 67. But anyway, 21,000. So so the portfolio's jumped by 21,000 in a day. Interesting. Let's save that. Okay, so that's great. So we continue to monitor that. You know, there were times when it went up and down. We had a low period around the, you know, the May, June period when it went really down, and some people were even feeling sorry for it. There's no need to feel sorry because I knew it was going to recover. You know, the funny thing about people, human beings, is that, and I said this in earlier videos, previous videos, that human beings are so funny, you know, so interesting the way they think. You know, when things are bad, they think they're never going to get good. And when things are good, they think they're never going to get bad, you know? And it's just about cycles. You're just patient, you know, going anyway, just hang around, the cycle will return. So is what I said. And looking more closely at the chart, it shows Bitcoin's currently around 66,000, has broken above this trend line, which I drew, smashed through it, and you know, even going to use it as support, but maybe it might use it as support, we shall see. But it's certainly on its way up and to new heights. Very strong, very bullish. Again, the golden cross, which happened 16th of September, helped to push things up forward. So this is no sign of this meeting for now. These, you know, will eventually come around and meet eventually, but not just yet. And the Gaussian channel, it's safe to say, you know, we've got two, you know, it was in the Gaussian channel, and it came out of it partially on the around the 3rd of October. And these are 5-day candles, by the way. So each of these candles represent 5 days. And we said that, you know, if it just comes out partially, it doesn't guarantee that it's going to escape unless it forms at least 2 or 3 candles outside that don't even touch the channel. And it did. It formed one candle here, right? Then it formed another candle here, both of them. And you know, I put these orange lines, I put the red line and the green line. So if it reaches the green line, it is, if it crosses the red line, it's got a very good chance it's going to reach the green line. And it did today. So it's hit the green line, it's got a little bit of past the green line. So, and there's still 2 days and 10 hours left of this candle. So hopefully it can maintain its momentum. It looks like, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strong candles. This is 20 days of bullish activity, 23 days of bullish activity. Yeah, 23 days of bullish activity, it's only 2.5 days. So we shall wait for the remaining 2 days and 10 hours. And, but it's most likely that it is going to continue in an upward trend, the way things are going. So that's brilliant. That's really good. Again, the trend, this trend is actually showing, you know, how powerful the trend is. And, you know, the green is on top, the red is at the bottom, so it's all systems go. And this trend line is up, very steep, which means it's a very powerful trend. If you're looking at the day thing, if not the weekly, it's still on the weekly is a little bit more accurate. But yes, it's, you know, the green is still on top, red is on the bottom, and the trend is really starting to pick up. Started picking up from, you know, beginning of October. So this is upward pointing. So it looks like it's pretty powerful. In fact, even looking at some other indicators, let me share my screen here. Let's share my screen again. The RSI, looking at the RSI on the indicator, you'll see that we came down from this downtrend and then went an upward trend with several higher highs. But to look at it a little bit more accurately, this is what we just recovered from, and we hit we created the first higher high, now is a second higher high. 2-week basis. It's definitely an uptrend, looking pretty powerful, pretty strong. So as you zoom out with larger time frames, you get a lot more accurate picture. So we've not reached the all-time high yet, so we're waiting for this to actually reach this 82 line for us to see if we're going to achieve the all-time high for this bull run. But we won't know about that until this reaches the 80 line in the RSI. If you look more closely on maybe 2 weeks. Again, this is yeah. So not these lines of support. So yeah, we need to break through, first of all, the 70 on the 2-weekly, and then the basically we need to break past the 70. If we break past the 70, which looks like we're heading towards, it may come down a little bit, retract a little bit, and go up again in order to break through that 70 mark. But we shall observe it, and so right now, anyway, the trends are very strong, and we shall see where it goes. Make sure you visit our website, imwealthyandrich.com, how to understand the game of money and play it well, and download this training here. It's free. It's free training. Get that millionaire mindset and the investment strategy free. Fill in the name and email address and send it to you straight away. And start working on yourself. You need to be prepared. This is an incredible revolution we're in. We're in the revolution of money for the next decade. And if anybody doesn't make money in this decade, it's really shame on them for not taking advantage of these trends. These are trends that are going to enable almost anybody to make money. So, but you've got to get your mind in gear and start understanding the basics. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video. And also, I want to thank you very much for watching. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, so we'll keep observing the trends and keep you posted. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.